Hey there! You know, Pinterest is a visual discovery engine where users find inspiration and ideas for their lives. It's a place where businesses can connect with potential customers and drive traffic to their websites. With millions of active users, Pinterest offers businesses a unique opportunity to reach a large and engaged audience. Imagine Pinterest as a digital storefront, showcasing your products or services through eye-catching visuals. Each pin, like a mini advertisement, can lead users back to your website, where they can learn more and make a purchase. Unlike traditional advertising, Pinterest marketing allows you to connect with users actively seeking inspiration and solutions. By understanding how to effectively use Pinterest, businesses can increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and ultimately boost sales. Whether you're a small business just starting or a large corporation looking to expand your online presence, Pinterest offers a powerful platform for growth. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of Pinterest marketing, providing practical tips, strategies, and real-world examples to help you harness the full potential of this visual platform. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunities and watch your business flourish with the power of Pinterest. Just like any social media platform, success on Pinterest starts with a well-defined strategy. Before you start pinning, take the time to define your target audience and craft a Pinterest persona that resonates with them. Who are your ideal customers? What are their interests, hobbies, and aspirations? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your Pinterest content to their specific needs and desires. Use relevant keywords in your profile description, board titles, and pin descriptions to ensure your content appears in relevant searches. A strong Pinterest persona goes beyond demographics. It delves into the psychographics of your audience. Consider their lifestyle, values, and pain points. Are they DIY enthusiasts looking for creative project ideas? Are they fashion-conscious individuals seeking style inspiration? By understanding the motivations and aspirations of your target audience, you can create Pinterest content that truly resonates, sparking their interest and driving engagement. Remember, Pinterest is about inspiration and aspiration, so showcase how your brand aligns with their lifestyle and helps them achieve their goals. On Pinterest, visuals reign supreme. High-quality, eye-catching pins are essential for grabbing attention and enticing users to click through to your website. Use high-resolution images that are clear, bright, and visually appealing. Vertical images tend to perform better on Pinterest, so aim for an aspect ratio of 2:3 or 1:3.5. Incorporate your brand colors and fonts into your pins to create a cohesive look and feel. Use text overlay to provide context and highlight key information, such as product names, prices, or calls to action. Keep the text concise and easy to read. Consider using a combination of different pin formats, such as static images, videos, and GIFs, to keep your content fresh and engaging. Experiment with different design elements, such as borders, patterns, and graphics, to create visually appealing pins that stand out in users' feeds. Pinterest boards are like virtual scrapbooks where you can organize your pins into different categories. Create boards that are relevant to your business and your target audience's interests. Use clear, concise, and keyword-rich board titles so users can easily find what they're looking for. Don't be afraid to get creative with your board titles and descriptions. Instead of simply using generic terms, try using more specific and engaging language. For example, instead of recipes, try quick and easy weeknight dinners or delicious desserts for every occasion. Organize your boards in a way that makes sense for your business and your target audience. You can create boards for different product categories, seasonal promotions, or even behind-the-scenes content. Regularly pin high-quality content to your boards to keep them active and engaging. Section 5. Expanding your reach. Growing your Pinterest following. Growing your Pinterest following is essential for increasing your brand's visibility and reach. One effective strategy is to follow other users in your niche, as well as users who have pinned your content. This can help you get on their radar and increase the chances of them following you back. Engage with other users' content by liking, commenting, and repinning their pins. This not only helps you build relationships with other users, but it also increases the visibility of your own content. Run contests and giveaways on Pinterest to generate excitement and attract new followers. Collaborate with influencers or other businesses in your niche to reach a wider audience. You can team up to create joint Pinterest boards, host group giveaways, or cross-promote each other's content. Utilize Pinterest's follow button on your website and other social media platforms to make it easy for your existing audience to find and follow you on Pinterest. Section 6. Weaving your web. Driving traffic from Pinterest. Driving traffic to your website is one of the primary goals of Pinterest marketing. Make sure all of your pins link back to relevant pages on your website. Use clear and concise calls to action on your pins to encourage users to click through. Optimize your Pinterest profile and boards for search by using relevant keywords in your profile description, board titles, and pin descriptions. This will help your content appear in relevant search results, both on Pinterest and on search engines like Google. Enable rich pins to provide more context and information about your products or services directly on your pins. Rich pins include additional details, such as pricing, availability, and product descriptions, which can help increase click-through rates and conversions. Section 7. Pinterest Ads. Amplifying your brand's message. Pinterest ads can be a powerful way to reach a larger audience and promote your products or services. Pinterest offers a variety of ad formats, including promoted pins, promoted video pins, and promoted carousels. Target your ads based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even keywords. Set a budget that aligns with your marketing goals and track your ad performance regularly. Use A/B testing to experiment with different ad creatives, targeting options, and bidding strategies to optimize your campaigns for better results. Consider running Pinterest ads during peak seasons or around specific holidays or events relevant to your business. Utilize Pinterest's conversion tracking tools to measure the effectiveness of your ads in driving traffic and sales. Section 8. Measuring Success Pinterest Analytics Insights. Pinterest Analytics provides valuable insights into your Pinterest performance, allowing you to track key metrics and make data-driven decisions. Track metrics such as impressions, clicks, repins, and saves to measure the reach and engagement of your pins. Analyze your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors to gain a deeper understanding of your target market. Use Pinterest Analytics to identify your top-performing pins and boards and replicate their success by creating similar content. Track your website traffic from Pinterest to see how your pins are contributing to your overall marketing goals. Regularly review your Pinterest Analytics data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your Pinterest marketing strategy for better results. Section 9. Case Study. Success Stories on Pinterest. Numerous businesses have achieved remarkable success through strategic Pinterest marketing. One compelling example is Etsy, the online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods. Etsy leveraged Pinterest's visual discovery platform to drive significant traffic to its website and increase sales. By creating visually appealing pins showcasing unique and desirable products, Etsy effectively targeted its niche audience of craft enthusiasts and shoppers seeking one-of-a-kind items. The platform's emphasis on visual inspiration aligned perfectly with Etsy's product offerings, resulting in a highly successful partnership. Another noteworthy case study is that of Target, the retail giant. Target utilized Pinterest to connect with its target audience by creating boards that reflected their customers' lifestyles and interests. They curated pins featuring home decor ideas, fashion inspiration, and recipes, all linked back to relevant products on their website. Section 10. Common Pinterest Marketing Mistakes to Avoid. While Pinterest offers a plethora of opportunities, it's essential to be mindful of common pitfalls that can hinder your success. One common mistake is neglecting to optimize your Pinterest profile for search. Ensure your profile description, board titles, and pin descriptions incorporate relevant keywords. Another misstep is creating pins that are overly promotional or salesy. Pinterest users are primarily seeking inspiration and ideas, so focus on creating visually appealing and informative pins that provide value to your audience. Avoid inconsistent pinning schedules, as this can make it difficult to maintain engagement and reach. Establish a regular posting cadence to keep your content fresh and top of mind for your followers. Section 11. Conclusion. Elevate your brand with Pinterest. Pinterest stands as a powerful platform for businesses to connect with their target audience, drive website traffic, and ultimately boost sales. By embracing visually appealing content, strategic optimization, and data-driven insights, you can unlock the full potential of Pinterest marketing. Remember to craft a compelling Pinterest persona, create eye-catching pins, and organize your boards strategically. Engage with your audience, leverage Pinterest ads, and track your performance using Pinterest Analytics to refine your strategy and maximize your results. Embrace the power of visual storytelling, experiment with different strategies, and watch your brand soar to new heights on Pinterest. Start pinning today and unlock a world of opportunities for your business.